Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have your dataset open. Start by verifying variable view settings so Spss writes variables correctly. Check types, widths, and value labels now, because once saved, those metadata are what you keep. Once done, switch to Data View and scan a few rows to catch formatting issues early. Make sure to choose a folder with backups available and note the desired file name and SAV extension. Save immediately using File Save or Save as to create the working SAV file. Now you'll perform the detailed save. Choose File Save As and pick the precise file name and folder. In the dialog, adjust options to include value labels, variable labels, and formats so your metadata persists. This matters for later analysis and sharing. If you need compatibility with older SPSS, select the Legacy Save option. Otherwise, keep Unicode. Click Save, and SPSS writes both data and metadata. Make sure to increment the file name for major changes, so you maintain a clear finish by exporting any alternate formats you need. File export to create CSV or Excel versions for collaborators, and save syntax if you want reproducible steps. Then run File Save to commit final edits and close the dataset when finished. If SPSS reports an error saving, try Save as to a different folder or file name. Often permissions or an open file lock causes failure. If problems persist, restart SPSS and save immediately to a new location to rule out transient locks or temp file issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.